What's happening? My name's Vince, that's Brandon. We're going on geocaching mission today. We got a little loop around Tahoe Mountain area. Oh yeah, Shasta's here too. I don't think many of them are premium today.
The closest one I have says Sidewinder.
Yeah, I've got that one before. Sidewinder's up the next street. Me and Flea got that before. First one, 160 feet away, just right around the corner. We parked next to a big old house, hopefully.
Baller ass. Fuck.
Oh, in old videos, we've hiked that little peak right there before. That's a badass cache.
Look at that view. Up that high. Can we follow the trail or?
Yep. $39, $36, 25 feet. I'm guessing there's logs. I wonder if this house is like spiffy on this cache. People just wandering right outside the windows. Mine said 8 feet. All right, putting it down.
Found it.
What? Oh, dope. Got our first find today. Hopefully we get like 5. So this is find number 690 for me. So hopefully we get to 700 within the next couple videos. Probably not today though. Time-lapse logbook, here we go. Yeah, they got some big views here. The smoke makes it really, no, it makes it like defined where all the mountains are instead of just looking all the same. Yeah. Look, I don't think a bear's gonna get anything in the car if there's lifesavers out here. October 18th. Logbook.
It hasn't been found since last month on the
Says
9/7/18/19.
there's a sign on here for September. Oh, maybe it's 7th. Sign in it? I don't want to walk around with these lifesavers all day.
Why would you take them?
To not leave food in a cache, especially when it's bear country. Got up a little bit. I don't know how it was. All right, good enough. Off to the next. Down the trail. This is our area for the day. We're gonna like follow this trail system, zigzag up to the peak. Hashtag geocaching Tahoe. Hashtag Tahoe geocaching.
Hashtag pack your trash out.
Peace till next time. Thanks for watching. Off to the next. So the next one, between a rock and a hard place, it's a regular size, terrain 2.5, difficulty 3. So between a rock and a hard place has been here since 2005. Yeah, I'm pretty sure we passed it, just never cared, or just tried to search, didn't search hard enough.